No sound on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Speaker not working, headphone not working, not detect. Don't worry, in this video I will show you step-by-step solutions to fix audio problem in Windows 11. If your issue has been not resolved, you just check the description link for the Google Forms. You just fill out. Team will contact you for the professional support. Restart Windows audio service. So click on start and type service. Okay, just right click to run as administrator. Then find out, press W, Windows audio. You can see this. Just select, you have to double click, select automatic by default. Okay, apply and okay. Then second one also endpoint builder, just right click, so double click and select automatic and apply and okay. After that again select the Windows audio, then just click to restart, wait few seconds. Okay, then this one and just select yes. Update or reinstall audio driver. So just right click device manager. Okay, otherwise you just click to start and you can type device manager, just click on it. So find out the audio, so you can see audio, extract sound, select this, just right click update driver, close update driver, and then close it. Run audio troubleshooter. So click to start, then click on setting, go to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and so first one you can see the audio, so just click on. So let's detect and fix automatically. Okay, it is work in background, and after it is completed, then close it. Next method, click to start, type control panel and open this, then view by category, then click on hardware and sound, click on sound. If you connected Bluetooth speaker, wired, so multiple speaker and mic, so you just select which speaker you need to output. Okay, audio, and this is the sound also. You can check this, taste, select this and taste it is play, so means system side is not issue. Okay, so this is troubleshooting part. Okay, select this, just right click and set default here if it is showing here. Okay, and just after that click OK and then OK. Click on start, in search type CMD, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command, first copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see. When it is processing, and like you can see, it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health, copy, control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is a 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay.